But in this matter, I need some more time, my lord. Actually, I have prepared the affidavit, given it for vetting. Vetting is also done. Registrar General is not there today. So,
No, because during the course of hearing, on the date of hearing,
yes,
because the learning counsel for the petitioner and both you, because a list of date was given.
Yes.
And there was a mention of another disciplinary proceeding.
this is item number one,
Oh.
my lord. Mrinmoy
Okay.
Kumar Das. Here I need some time for
Okay.
filing affidavit, my lord,
Okay.
as per the last order.
Okay. Mr.
Faridin.
Faridin, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Also, Mr. H.K. Das, learned standing counsel, Guwahati High Court, appearing for the respondent number 1, 4, and 5, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition, an affidavit, has, in deference to the order dated 5/3/2024, has already been prepared and sent for vetting and signing.
Yes,
So he has sought for 2 weeks, because I'll not be able, 2 weeks time to file the said affidavit. And full stop. List the prayer is loud. List the case after 2 weeks. Oh, you are there.
May it please your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Pathak. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, at the time of hearing, learned senior counsel placed a list of dates.
Yes.
There was a mention about a disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
I think DP number
Yes. 1, 2, and 3, madam.
So, but in the entire writ petition, there is no mention about it.
Except for the third DP, which is annexed also, the member now charged. The other two are there and mentioned only in passing, my lord. If
No, in the writ petition, it is not there.
yes, it's
In the writ petition, entire writ petition, because I was looking at the judgment of the earlier in the writ petition. So on that basis, come to come to page 61,
yes, madam. 61.
para 11, right? 7 line from bottom. There is no dispute that from 8/12
Yes, madam.
to 31/7, around 8 deputy registrar junior to the petitioner has been promoted to the post of joint registrar in the principal seat, right? Then I found that one Sinha was promoted on 8/12/2014, who was purportedly junior to the petitioner. Otherwise, I was looking at how this data has been incorporated. Then in the list of dates, I found that there is a mention of another DP. But in the body of the writ petition, in a pleading, there was no mention about the one which continued from 2014 to 2018 or something like that.
18.
Enquiry officer was appointed. Yes. And after the conclusion of hearing, I think Mr. Pathak, you have come
Yes.
for to give Janaki Raman and the other one,
The other one.
next below rule, and plus copy of this.
Yes, madam.
Copy of this
Yes, yeah.
you have handed over. So it was not put to the knowledge of the petition, standing counsel High Court.
Yes.
And plus in the IA, there was a passing reference.
Yes, madam. This paragraph number.
Passing reference without any details.
Paragraph 7, page number 6 of the IA.
Yes. Then I tried to tally this one, then I found that yes, might be this one. But in the entire writ petition, there was no mention, right? So that if I have to look into this document, both sides should have knowledge. Mr. Das should also have knowledge.
Yes. I've got a copy from the registry, my lord. It's there. Part
It
of the
is
record.
there.
Yes, my lord.
So no penalty was imposed. But fact of the matter is that there was another DP,
Yeah.
right?
13/7/2015. Yes.
It was closed, I think maybe inquiry report was on 7/5/2018.
7/5/18.
No, the charge was held not to be proved, right? So I have to take note of this also. That is why I have,
Yes.
otherwise everything was, I made ready, but everything went topsy-turvy thereafter. I looked at generally we look at the pleadings. I just before finalizing it, I went through every document. Then I suddenly found this one, which is of some relevance, whatever may be. That is why the case is listed. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Fine. This is there. It's part of the record. It has.
Heard Mr. U. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Ichkedas, learned standing counsel to Guwahati High Court for the respondent, full stop. On having, after having gone through the pleadings of the writ petition and the other documents available in the brief, comma, it came to the notice of this court that though there was no pleading in the writ petition, in the entire body of the writ petition, that there was another disciplinary proceeding initiated. And it came to the notice that there was no pleadings in the entire body of the writ petition, that there were 3 departmental proceedings initiated and concluded against the petitioner during his service tenure. In the writ petition, comma, mention was made about 2 disciplinary proceedings. And in the counter affidavit file also, comma, the respondent traversed about the initiation and conclusion of 2 disciplinary proceedings. Full stop. It is found that another disciplinary proceeding, comma, disciplinary proceeding number 20 of 2015, it is found from an inquiry report dated 7/5/2018, comma, available in the brief, comma, that another disciplinary proceeding, comma, disciplinary proceeding number 20 of 2015 was initiated by a show cause notice dated 13/7/2015, and after conclusion of the proceeding, comma, the inquiry officer appointed for the purpose, comma, submitted an inquiry report dated 7/5/2018. Full stop. It is in such, it is in the above fact situation, common learned counsel for the parties are heard on the issue of disciplinary proceeding number so and so of so and so. Full stop. After on conclusion of hearing, comma, he has been just reserved. We have to incorporate that.